Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the features of the HOOBRO TV Stand with charging station, perfect for TVs up to 55 inches. This sleek and stylish entertainment center, measuring 47.2 inches long, 11.8 inches wide, and 17.7 inches high, offers an open bottom shelf ideal for housing game consoles, DVDs, and other media devices, all while its mesh design ensures effective heat dissipation for smooth operation. Equipped with a power center featuring 2 outlets and 2 USB ports, this media console allows for convenient device charging, with an adjustable light strip to set the perfect mood for your entertainment space. Crafted from quality particleboard and a sturdy metal frame, this TV stand boasts a high weight capacity, supporting up to 110 pounds on top, with additional support from the mesh shelves and adjustable feet for stability on any floor. Its minimalist design, featuring a matte black metal frame and wood grain finish, adds an elegant industrial charm to any room decor. Assembly is a breeze with clearly labeled parts, a detailed illustrated manual, and all the necessary tools included, so you can enjoy this stylish entertainment center in no time. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more product insights. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.